fresh water, abundant sunshine, a clean wind, and the brand that the waiting time creates. This is the 완도바다 Fishery Union Company. World-recognized eco-friendly beach My Sasamni Beach. It became the first Asian to win the blue flag for 5 years in a row. There are about 20 to 100 species of sea creatures and healthy and fresh seaweeds grow here. The rich Wando Sea grows healthy food. We have obtained a SCMSC International certification for the sustainable fishing community, preserving the future of the Wando Sea. We open an era of seaweed eco-friendly. Protect healthy food through environmentally conscious fishing.
완도바다 영어조합법인은 고객과 환경을 생각하는 회사 목표 아래에 어업과 환경, 우리 후손을 위한 생태계 보전에 앞장서서 실천하고 있는 기업입니다. 지속가능한 친환경 해조류를 생산하는 어민의 대표로서의 자부심과 안전한 먹거리에 대한 사명감으로 최고의 제품을 약속드리며 바른 먹거리 문화를 선도하는 믿음직한 기업이 되겠습니다.
Our company collects the highest quality seaweed grown directly in Wando. Processed on manufacturing line with HACCP certification. We ship the safe products to your table after removing metallic foreign substances. We will leap forward as a global comprehensive food company that extends to the global market with excellent quality. In Korea's pristine Wando Sea, by your side. 완도바다 Fishery Union Company.